Hello, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have a session for vector operations. Vector operations, in a sense, it is vector addition, vector subtraction, dot product and scalar product. እነዚህ ሁለቶቹ ዶት እና ስካላር ፕሮዳክት ብለን የምናወራው ናቸው ማለት ነው። ስካላር ኤንድ ዶት ፕሮዳክት ብለን የምናወራቸው ዶት ፕሮዳክት ኤንድ scalar or like this multiplication. Scalar multiplication of two vectors is a scalar quantity. To calculate it, for example, work ደን ለመስራት የምንጠቀመው ማለት ነው። is equals to a times b cos theta. A dot b is equals to ab cos theta. ab here, a dot b is equals to b dot a. ዋን አይደል? cos 0 ዲግሪ ዋን ነው። ኮዝ 90 ዲግሪ ደግሞ ምንድነው? ዜሮ ነው። ኮዝ 90 ዲግሪ እኩል ነው ዜሮ ነው ማለት ነው። በዚህ ቤዝድ ሆነን what about the scalar and vector properties? እነዚህ ቬክተር ፕሮዳክቶችን ነው ያወራ not scalar. Here we are talking about vector products. Here I dot I, j dot j. What about I dot I, j dot j? Okay, products of the dot product of the same unit vectors. The same unit vectors is what? 1 k dot k. This is 1 why I dot I. These are what? Dot k. Okay, j dot k is equals to I dot k is equals to k dot I, right? K dot I is equals to k dot j is equals to k dot j. This is 0. Why I said that cos 90 degree is 0. Cos 90 degree is 0. This is a basic concept that we apply in most of the statics or mechanics and dynamics problems. እንግዲህ I dot I is equals to j dot j is equals to k dot k is equals to 1 ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም ለምንድን ነው? cos 0 ዲግሪ 1 ስለሚሆን a cross b is magnitude is equals to a times b sin theta. A cross b is equals to a times b sin theta. Here the reverse applies. A cross b is equals to minus of b cross I. A ምክንያቱም sin theta ስለሆነ እዚህ እየተጠቀምን ያለ ነው። A cross j is equals to k cross k is equals to 0. This is from sin theta.